Out there in the silent blackness, Voyager 2 sails on, a machine, a messenger, a piece of us. Launched in 1977, it's traveled farther than almost any other human creation, second only to its twin, Voyager 1. Voyager 2 is our eyes and ears at the edge of the sun's reach, a lonely sentinel drifting in interstellar space. It carries our hopes, questions, and a golden record, a message in a bottle for the cosmos. This probe isn't just metal and circuits, it's proof of our relentless curiosity. For nearly half a century, it's sent back images and data from the gas giants and icy moons, expanding our understanding of the solar system. Now it drifts in the space between stars so distant that a message takes almost a day to reach it, and another to return. Every signal is a precious whisper from the void. Voyager 2 embodies our drive to explore, to see what lies beyond. It's our ambassador to the galaxy, carrying the story of Earth. But now, from the edge of the sun's influence, Voyager 2 has sent something new. Not a friendly postcard, but a warning. The universe, it seems, is not as empty or welcoming as we hoped. Our solar system is a cozy home, but the neighborhood beyond is wild. Voyager 2 is our first scout to report back from this frontier. Its latest message has made scientists sit up and take notice. The data confirms a suspicion. The universe beyond our bubble is more turbulent than we imagined. Voyager 2's journey is redefining our place in the cosmos. Voyager 2's story began with a rare planetary alignment. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune lined up for a grand tour. NASA seized the chance, using gravity assists to visit all four giants in one mission. Voyager 2 became our eyes on this audacious journey. At Jupiter, it revealed violent storms, new moons, and a hint of oceans beneath Europa's ice. Saturn's rings, once thought solid, were shown to be thousands of icy ringlets. The probe discovered strange spokes, weather patterns, and moons with thick atmospheres and icy geysers. Then it became the first to visit Uranus and Neptune, worlds of tilted axes, wild winds, and frozen volcanoes. After Neptune, its planetary mission ended, but its journey continued, outward, toward the stars. Voyager 2's grand tour rewrote our textbooks and revealed a solar system more dynamic than we ever imagined. Its new destination, the unknown. After Neptune, Voyager 2 pressed on, measuring the environment as it neared the edge of our solar system. In 2023, a mistyped command tilted its antenna just 2 degrees off Earth. Silence followed. Weeks passed with no signal. The mission seemed lost. But NASA's team refused to give up, using the Deep Space Network to send a powerful command, hoping Voyager 2 would catch it. Against the odds, a faint signal returned. A heartbeat from the void. Voyager 2 had reoriented itself, restoring contact. Relief swept through mission control, but the data it sent back was different. Plasma density readings were jumping in unexpected ways. For those weeks alone, Voyager 2 had been listening to the universe, not us. The environment it reported was more turbulent, as if it had crossed into a new region of space. The brief loss of contact highlighted a dramatic shift in the cosmic frontier. Voyager 2's accidental turn gave us a rare glimpse into the true nature of interstellar space. The universe beyond our solar bubble was not what we expected. The probe's resilience and the data it returned marked a turning point in our understanding. Voyager 2's journey had entered a new, unpredictable chapter. The void was speaking, and we were finally listening. Our first scout had survived, and it had news. What did Voyager 2 find? Its instruments measure cosmic rays, magnetic fields, and plasma, the superheated gas between stars. The sun's heliosphere, a bubble of plasma, shields us from interstellar space. Voyager 2 crossed the heliopause in 2018, entering the galaxy's domain. The new data showed sharp, erratic spikes in plasma density, far from the uniform emptiness we expected. It was as if Voyager 2 was riding waves in a stormy cosmic sea. The interstellar medium is turbulent, dynamic, and denser than predicted. This isn't just a curiosity, it's a warning. The boundary of our solar system is a violent, active frontier. The sun's protective bubble is constantly battered by the galaxy beyond. Voyager 2's readings reveal a struggle between our star and the interstellar medium. We are not isolated, we live inside a fragile shield. Just outside, the universe is harsher and more complex. These findings are the first direct evidence of the true nature of interstellar space. The whispers from Voyager 2 are painting a picture of a universe far more active and hazardous than we believed. Our cosmic neighborhood is not a calm sea, but a stormy frontier. Voyager 2 is our first weather report from the edge. Voyager 2 has confirmed a long-suspected phenomenon, a wall at the edge of our solar system. Not a physical wall, but a region of dense plasma and intense magnetic fields where the solar wind collides with the interstellar wind. This heliopause is a turbulent, compressed boundary, more formidable than we imagined. The probe's plasma readings show cosmic traffic jams at this edge. This barrier filters cosmic rays, shielding us from deadly radiation, but it's not perfect. The intense turbulence may even accelerate some particles, creating a cosmic ray pressure cooker. Understanding this barrier is crucial for future space travel. Voyager 2's data forces us to rethink the shape and strength of our solar system's shield. The edge of our home is a complex, violent place, more so than we ever knew. Voyager 2's discovery taps into an ancient fear, the unknown beyond the campfire's light. For centuries, we've imagined monsters in the darkness. Now science confirms the universe is harsher than we hoped. Interstellar space isn't empty, it's filled with radiation, turbulent fields, and chaos. Our solar system is a rare oasis, a calm bubble in a violent cosmic sea. Voyager 2's data is the first direct evidence that the environment changes dramatically beyond our shield. The dragons on old maps have become real, measured in plasma and magnetic storms. Any future explorers will need technology far beyond what we have to survive out there. The journey between stars is more dangerous than we dreamed. Voyager 2 has shown us the dragon's teeth, a sobering, measured reality. Our survival depends on understanding and respecting the power of the universe. So what now? Do we retreat? Never. This knowledge doesn't end our dream of interstellar travel, it refines it. Voyager 2's data is a roadmap for future explorers and engineers. New probes will need stronger shields and better instruments to survive the cosmic storm. The first step to the stars is through this turbulent frontier. Robotic scouts like Voyager are our canaries in the cosmic coal mine. Every bit of data is a lesson for survival and exploration. Expanding beyond our solar system may one day be a necessity, not a luxury. The edge of our system is a new continent, dangerous, but irresistible. The questions Voyager 2 raises will drive the next wave of discovery. Our journey into the stars is just beginning. Voyager 2's story is our story, a curious species reaching out from a fragile world. The famous pale blue dot image reminded us of our smallness, but Voyager 2 shows our capacity for greatness. We built a machine that left home and revealed the universe's dangers and wonders. Our solar system is a precious bubble in a stormy galaxy. Voyager 2's discoveries urge us to protect our home and appreciate its uniqueness. Its journey is a lesson in humility and ambition. The universe is vast and indifferent, but we are driven to understand it. As Voyager 2 sails on, it carries our legacy, courage, curiosity, and the thrill of discovery. It has shown us both beauty and danger, giving us the knowledge to face the unknown. The little probe continues to teach us about the cosmos and about ourselves.